Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set yourself as away in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our DMs and our teammates. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the little person icon, and here in the middle we find set yourself as away. We tap on this, and then our account is set to being away, which means that people that send us messages won't send us notifications as well, so we won't be notified of any communications that happen on our channels. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.